And also, how do you, I mean, just day to day, how do you maintain, this is the last question, how do you maintain a sense of peace and hope during this time?
Well, you know, Jeremy, I have a very strong faith in God, which always keeps you going, because, you know, you try your best, and since I'm not doing this for myself, I'm doing this for my country. Why am I doing this for my country? Because I'm one of those privileged people who got so much love and respect from his country that it was important for me to try and do my best for them. And so I've tried to do my best for my people. And the rest I leave to the Almighty. Because, you know, it's success and failure are in His hands. Effort, struggle is in my hand. And I will be struggling to my last breath. But then how do I relax and stay calm and content at night? Because after doing my best, then I pray to the Almighty that, look, now it's up to you. You are the one who's going to decide whether I succeed or fail. So actually, that's how, you know, I go through all the tough times. And I have to say that these 12 months, and particularly the last 2 months, have been probably the toughest 2 months of my life.